Good morning, ECN Trade Technical Webinar. My name is Rob Clayton. The Australian dollar has finally retreated away from that 70-75 resistance and now looking down towards a minor support of 75.15. If we do get a break beneath that 75.15, then the next target comes upon at 74.60.70. Now it is from 74.60 that will get the next move down to hold, if breached, 73.5 as an objective. With the 4-hour oscillators pretty much in a negative formation, does give further hope that we might see a breakdown towards that 74.60 and look towards that 73.5. In the event though we get a failed break of 74.60, then the market will probably turn back up towards the recent highs around that 75.70 area and could progress on towards the 76.10 to 76.70, which was the recent rejection, which again should be viewed as an opportunity for the bears to return. However, I still favour the downside, and my objective is still towards 73.5. Euro did try and rally overnight, but failed towards that resistance seen around about that 110.70 to 111.30. With a bearish oscillator coming now in the intraday, I'm looking for a move away from that 111 area and looking down towards 109.95, with the objective still holding towards 109.50. In view of the recent weakness, I believe that the market will actually go lower than 109.50 and look towards 107.70 as a new objective, and reassess from there. If we do see a break above 111.30, then 111.80.90 should find harder resistance. Well, dollar yen, very impressive rally comes through overnight after breaking above that 101.10 resistance, nearly reaching its objective of 103. We are overbought, especially if you look on the hourly. Clearly overbought and looking for a fall towards immediate support of 102.20 and looking lower towards 101.45 to 150 if 102.20 is broken. Now, if we hold above 102.20, we could see a return of bullish momentum and break above that key level of 103.15.30 and then rally on towards 104.60 to 105.50. But really, the market now has to determine whether it can consolidate and hold above that 102.20, or we will see a break beneath that level, which will negate the upside and look back towards the lows at what we've seen around about that 100 mark. Well, sterling pretty much moving sideways after a failed attempt above that 130 region, with an intraday negative pattern coming through. Looks for immediate support of 129.20 and then lower down towards 128.60. With resistance still likely, as you can keep seeing, we're stabbing up towards this 130.25.30 resistance. So it's likely to see any advances to fail there. I'm still in favour to see a move down and still look towards an objective of 127.70 to 127.80 and reassess from there. Well, gold, return demand, or a very impressive bullish comeback, is now backed away from that resistance up around about that 1,375 to 85 mark. From the weakness coming in, I still view any downside moves should find that firm bull camp around that 1,336 to 38. I still would not negate the upside yet. The risk is that we could still see a break above that 1,384 level. However, if we break through that support of 1,336, then the view is completely off the top side and we'll be looking back towards the low side of 1,300. So the levels to watch for in the next 24 hours is 1336 and 1384. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you enjoy your day.